In this video I'm going to be working out an individual integral. I'm going to take a look at the integral of the quantity 1 plus 1 over x to the third power times 1 over x squared dx. Alright, maybe looks a little complicated, got a lot of polynomial expressions here, something raised to the third power, that sort of thing. Turns out this is going to be a straightforward u substitution. Anytime that you can find an inside function, like right there I'm seeing 1 plus 1 over x as the inside function here because the outside is being raised to the third power. Taking a look right there, 1 over x, if you are kind of good with your derivatives, then you're going to realize that the derivative of that's going to be a negative 1 over x squared, and I have a 1 over x squared there. So things are going to cross out really nicely for just a basic u substitution. So I'm going to start with letting u equal that inside part of that function, so 1 plus 1 over x. Alright, you've got to calculate the derivative of both sides there. The derivative of 1 is going to go away. The derivative of 1 over x is a negative 1 over x squared. If you cannot do that in your head, you probably need to pause the video and attempt to work out that derivative. And then at this point I am going to want to go ahead and solve for dx. So then I'm going to multiply both sides by negative x squared. So I'll have a negative x squared du is equal to dx. Alright, after that, then we will come back up here to the original integral and do some substitutions. Alright, 1 plus 1 over x, I said was u, so I will have a u to the third power. The 1 over x squared is still going to be there. And then I'm going to replace dx with what I let it equal, so negative x squared du. That's going to allow me then to cross out those x squares very nicely. I can take the negative and pull it out in front, so I'll have negative the integral of u to the third du. Integrating that's just a nice little polynomial curve. We'll add 1 to the exponent. We'll get a 4, so then I'll have a negative 1/4 u to the fourth plus c. And for a final step, replacing that u with what I said it was equal to, negative 1/4 times the quantity of 1 plus 1 over x to the fourth power plus c. So definitely just a straightforward u substitution, but there again, you know, an expression that kind of looked complicated to start with, but if you just stop, look for that inside, see if a u substitution is going to work. A lot of times it does. Definitely thanks for watching. If you're enjoying the videos, please share with your friends so that they can benefit as well, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.